Mistrial in the rate sentencing case has left family members and the community without closure.
The former University of Cincinnati police officer was charged, of course, in the death of Sam DuBose. 9 on Your Side brought you that announcement live on Saturday as the jury could not agree on a verdict.
9 on Your Side's Ali Kramer joining us live now with how this case continues to impact the University of Cincinnati and what the family of Sam DuBose is saying about the future of the case.
Well, some of those demonstrators, Chris and Catherine, were students right here from UC, and they tell us that they were down there, of course, not only to show the DuBose family their support, but to show the entire city that this has really had a lasting impact on the campus community. And that is why interim president Beverly Davenport will be hosting this community meeting today. They want to bring everyone together, students and other neighbors alike, to really be able to discuss in an open forum what has happened with the sentencing trial and the mistrial. Now, she writes to the community, quote, "We cannot and will not let the outcome of this trial divide us. The meeting tonight is a place to come together and listen, heal, and form partnerships for lasting change." We're told the meeting is an opportunity for students and community members alike to come to reflect on these outcomes of the trial and to renew their commitment for peace. That is something the family has said over and over, that they want this to remain peaceful. We sat down with one of the sisters of Sam DuBose and discussed a little bit with her thoughts on that hung jury.
But I think the difficulty came in is, well, he's a cop. And I think they had a problem with that, with, ooh, you know, murder so harsh. But it is what it is.
Now, that meeting is right here at UC at the College of Law at 4:30 today in room 114, 114. Of course, they'll direct you if you make it to the College of Law this afternoon. Of course, open to students, but also if you've been covering this trial, if you've been following it closely, you are the people that they want to come down to kind of have this open discussion and also discussing, of course, what's to come next. Reporting live, Ali Kramer, 9 on Your Side.